Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about men and women and the women that men really adore and never want to leave. And you know, some women or a lot of women. It's a mystery as to what makes men tick and what makes men commit. What makes men never want to leave you. You know, while men think that women are really complicated and hard to figure out, a lot of women actually find it's the opposite, that men are the complicated ones since they never talk whenever you know it. The Woman Men Adore is a relationship guide written by Bob Grant. This guide has proven to be very useful to thousands of women who purchased it. In fact, it is an online bestseller, and its popularity shows no signs of waning. This book gives women relationship advice. From a man's point of view, it lifts the covers and exposes how a man thinks. This is a mystery to most women, and they often get wrong advice about it from other women. The good points. The Woman Men Adore review. 1. Bob is an experienced relationship counselor. His advice is detailed yet easy to follow. The book is all about understanding your man, making him more committed to the relationship, and getting women to be more proactive when it comes to shaping the relationship. Most women feel helpless when their partner seems to lose interest in them. The harder they try, the more distant the man gets. Bob's guide will put the power back in a woman's hands just by following the tips given. She will exude confidence instead of desperation. Her partner will take notice of her and look at her in a whole new light. Passion and romance can be ignited even if you think your relationship is stale. You just need to know what to do, and this guide tells you exactly that. The bad points. The Woman Men Adore review. 1. This guide is a digital product. The fact is that most men are more sensitive than women. Yeah, I know it's hard to believe, but while that might sound really surprising and maybe a little silly, the truth is that men don't really talk about, their feelings. But they hold it in because they don't have the ability to kind of recover emotionally the way most women do. So instead of facing that exposure and then feeling that emotional trauma, they just hold it inside themselves, that they're not as vulnerable, and so that they don't get as upset and emotional hurt. And we may think that men are, tuned out. They're not expressive, or they're not emotional, and they're like robots. But really, they're just holding it and they're hiding it, and you're protecting themselves. That's their own self-defense. So men are very emotional and they just hide it. You can't buy it offline. It will take time before you see results. You'll need to apply the tips and info within consistently. It takes time for people to change and come around, but they will in time. This guide works, but it doesn't work overnight. Thank you for watching our video. You can get further information by clicking on the link below. Bye for now.